Hi, this is Mike Shore, and this is a quick demonstration of how to create a new project in Visual C++ 2010 Express. I know this is getting to be a little bit long in the tooth, a little bit old, but it's still a very functional piece of software. So once I start up my Visual Studio environment, in this case, again, it's just the Visual C++ version, the Express version. I'm going to start off by clicking the New Project link, and I'm going to create, since this is for my beginning C++ class, I'm going to go ahead and create a Win32 console application. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a first app, just because it's my way of introducing people to the Visual Studio environment. So there's my first app in my name, and notice that it automatically gives me a solution name of first app. Solutions are a more complex scenario of creating applications that we won't be using much in this class, if at all. So we'll just let that go and go ahead and create a location. I always operate in a location that I can always go to, and that's my projects directory. And then if I have some sort of sub-project, in this case, a course number, and then finally I go ahead and change the final directory location to the project name or the application name. So I click OK. I verify that it is a console application. The one thing I do want to do is go ahead and uncheck the precompiled header. I'm going to select Finish. And there's my application. Notice that I have a first app C++ file created for me, and that's what's demonstrated or shown immediately upon entry into the first application that we're going to create. Notice also that the Visual Studio environment creates a lot of material for us automatically. This is just their way of doing business, Microsoft's suggested best practice. So we'll talk more about what goes in this code page here in the next video and class time that we spend together. This has been Mike Shore, helping you to get started with Visual Studio and C++.